Hey guys, my name is Justine. I'm a bartender here at 11 Miami. To celebrate National Vodka Day, we're going to be making a Cosmopolitan together. At home, you'll need a vodka, triple sec or Cointreau, lime juice, and cranberry juice. To get started, you're going to take your martini glass and you're going to chill it. For this, you can use ice with a little bit of water, or if you have crushed ice, or you can just put it in the freezer. Set that aside. Next, you're going to take your shaker and your vodka. We're going to do 2 ounces of this. Perfect. Next, we're going to take our Cointreu and our lime juice. It's always better to use fresh lime juice, but if you only have the pre-batch lime juice, that's all right as well. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of this and 3/4 ounce of the Cointreu. Next, we're going to take our cranberry and we're going to add 1 ounce. This is going to give it its nice, beautiful pink color. All right, after that, you're just going to want to add some ice and shake it up. Use some strength to get it out of there. We're gonna ice away our martini glass, get any extra water out of there. All right, next you're gonna take a shaker and a strainer, and if you have a fine strainer, use that as well. We're gonna strain it. Having a fine strainer is best because it takes away all the little chunks of ice that have broken apart when you were shaking. All right, some people say this is the most important part of a cocktail, the garnish. We're gonna take a orange zest, just cut off a piece of the orange peel, zest around the outside of the glass. You can discard this or just place it right on top. All right, guys, the 11 Cosmo. Happy National Vodka Day. Cheers.